Hey guys, welcome to digit.in, and today we're going to unbox the Mi Compact Bluetooth Speaker 2. Xiaomi's products have been supremely popular no matter what category of product it is, and we've got their Bluetooth speaker right here. It's super compact. Like, the box itself is so small you wouldn't even believe there's a speaker inside. So let's just quickly go ahead. So this orange little box, very signature Xiaomi, has a little protective tape at the bottom. So that's let's just open that up. Here's the funny thing. A lot of these boxes tend to make you think that, oh yeah, you can just open it from here. Nuh-uh, that's how you get hurt. The bottom side is where you open it up from. Little unboxing tip, since we do so many of those over here. All right. Oh, that thing is so cute. So you have the speaker itself, which is there's so many science fiction implications for this, but more on that later. And you also get this little nylon strap thingy so that you can probably just wear it around your wrist if you wanted to. But more on that later. Now this speaker, the power button's at the bottom and you can turn it on. It's got a really nice rubber base, which means if you put it on your desk, it's not going to move around. Now what's really cool is that because it's so small, it's truly a personal speaker, which means if you're at work and if you're somebody like me, like I cannot work with headphones on and I cannot even use earphones. So I like to play my music on the speakers, but that can be disturbing for my colleagues. Something like this could come in really handy because it just has a very low volume output, and at the same time it's portable, it's connectable over Bluetooth, charges over micro USB. So keeping all of these in mind, it could actually end up being a pretty helpful little thing. You could also pair this with your laptop in case you have busted speakers or your laptop doesn't have really nice speakers. This could help you also enhance your movie watching experience. Given how cost effective this little thing is, of course this is all you get in the box: the speaker, the strap. That's pretty much it. And you could probably buy a few of these and just have them lying around the house in case you want to have a party. But more on that later. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you next time.